Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to study another very important topic, which is nomenclature of alkynes. Mean how to name alkynes compounds correctly. So, let's start. What is nomenclature? Nomenclature is the system of naming organic compounds according to certain rules. Alkynes are named using IUPAC rules. Basic rules for naming alkynes. Rule 1. Longest carbon chain. Select the longest continuous carbon chain. Chain must contain triple bonds between carbon-carbon. Rule 2. Numbering of carbon chain. Number the chain from the ends. Give lowest possible number to the triple bonds. Rule 3. Root words. Number of carbons. Root words for 2. Eth for 3. Prop for 4. But and so on. And rule 4 for naming alkynes, suffix for alkynes, replace ane or ene with yne. Rule 5, position of triple bonds. Write the number of carbon where triple bond start. Number comes before ions mean yne. Naming simple alkynes examples. Example 1, C2H2, number of carbons is 2, root word 8, triple bond present, name ethyne. Example 2, C3H4, root word prop, 1 triple bond, name propane. Example 3, C4H6, structure C3 bond, C triple bond, C bond H, numbering from right, gives triple bond at carbon once, name but 1 ions. Internal and terminal alkynes. Terminal alkynes, triple bonds at end, example HC triple bond CH ethyne. Internal alkynes, triple bond in metals, example C3 bond C triple bond C bond CH3 means build 2 ions. Alkynes with substituents. Rules: name substituent first, mention its position number, then write alkyne name. Example: structure C3 bond C triple bond C bond CH and C3 bond C3. Longest chain is 5 carbons, triple bond at carbon 2, methyl group at carbon 4. Name 4-methyl pent 2 ions. So my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on nomenclature of alkynes. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.